Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on commentary in eFootball. Open your eFootball app and wait for the main menu to load. Make sure you are connected to the internet and using the latest version of the game because older version might not show commentary option. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the extras or settings option. You will find it in the bottom of right corner or under the main menu depending on your device. Next, go to game settings or audio settings. Now go to download data and click on commentary language. There have many language commentary version and you select Arabic version, then click on download and wait for download commentary data. Then you will turn on your commentary eFootball. And that's it. You have successfully turned on commentary in eFootball. In this video help you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon for the more eFootball tips and tricks. Thank you.